Today we break down a fiery moment from Deputy President Rigathi Gachagwa's appearance on Obina Show, where he didn't hold back while addressing his political rivals. Let's get into it. Rigathi Gachagua, recently under political fire and facing impeachment drama, made headlines against with his bold statement during an interview with Oga Obina. While defending himself, he sent a clear message to those plotting against him, and it has Kenyans talkings. Gachagua said, and quote, wale wanafikiria wanaweza kuniondoa wajue mimi ni mtu wa watu, sina hofu, I am ready for whatever comes. This wasn't just a defense, it was a direct challenge to those competitors. He is framing himself as a victim of betrayal, but also as a leader standing strong against pressure. His tone was calm, but the message was sharp. He basically accused some of within the political system of using the impeachment process as a political weapon. It was clear that he is rallying public sympathy and trying to paint himself as the honest, grounded leader being targeted for standing up for the common monarchy. Now, whether you agree with him or not, Gachagwa's words on the Obina show showed that he is not backing down. Personally, I think he is trying to rebrand from the so-called Mount Kenya kingpin to a voice of the people. But is this really strategy or just a political survival? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. If you enjoy really political breakdowns without bias, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Kingpin Media. More updates coming soon.